What's up, everyone? It's Bryce. I got my little dude right there. Mason, say hello, everyone.
School bus.
Oh, the school bus, yes. We're by my kids' school bus stop, but we're actually heading towards the post office. I got a couple of packages I need to drop off. I wanted to discuss something that happened to me recently, to my eBay store. A customer, hold on, Mason. I just want to...
Dad,
Yes, Mason.
hi.
Okay, say hi.
Stop with the tag.
Yes, that's a stop sign. So recently, someone purchased an item from me. It's a Magic the Gathering deck of cards, and that deck of cards came with like a Planeswalker, and that Planeswalker, I shipped it out brand new. The cards was an open box item, but it was in great condition. It was pretty much brand new condition, but it was just open box, so I couldn't label it new. I took photos of the deck box and everything that it contained, and everything was beautiful. Everything was clean. The actual card that came with it, kind of like the leader, the main card for that deck. That card I put it in separately, and I put it in a plastic case so it could be protected when I ship it out. And but I took nice photos of it. This is a nice card in great condition. There was no chips, there was no bent marks, no scratches, nothing. The guy buys it from me, and let's just say he buys it from me on a Monday. I ship it out the same day, Monday. On Friday, the man sends me a message saying, I don't like dealing with shady business. You sent me an item that was damaged, although it does not say it in the description. And I'm trying to see what it is that he purchased from me. I look at the purchase, and it's that Magic the Gathering deck box. But I'm looking at what he's saying and when he said it. It seemed like he had just received it. I tell him that I apologize, but the items that we get are open items, but they're in brand new, clean condition, in great condition. He goes, that's not what it says on the description, because you're saying one thing, but I'm receiving the other. And then he sends me a photo of the actual card, and the card is damaged on the corner. But I'm starting to think, wait, that couldn't have been me, or it couldn't have been the shipping, because the card was in a hard plastic case. There's no way that card can get bent. Man says that he wants his money back, or he wants to ship it back, the whole everything. And I'm saying to myself, this guy's trying to pull a fast one on me. This guy received the item in great condition, but it seemed like he already had that card. And because the card is valuable, the card, it's like a $20 item. It was about a $20 item, free shipping. The card, I'm assuming he already had this card, and once he got my card, my deck, he took out my brand new card, and then he replaced it with his damaged one, and now he's trying to get his money back, saying, hey, this is what I received. But what makes it worse is that the guy, the man, the person who bought it from me, my customer, his feedback, his score, he only had about 5 or 6 feedback. And it's a 2018 member. So I'm saying, no, this person is a scammer. This guy's trying to scam me. Again, I can't point fingers. So what I do is I go on eBay and I contact eBay and I tell them my situation. I told them I want to leave this guy feedback. I don't want to give him his money back because this guy's trying to scam me. Well, they tell me it's all of, this is the business. It's up to you. Be prepared that if you don't give the person his money back, he may feel unhappy, unsatisfied, and he may leave you a bad feedback score. Now, I'm all about my feedback score, and I know this is all about business, but I'm against scammers. So what I did is I went back to the guy, I contacted him, and I told him that if you would like to send me back everything, I will refund you your original cost. Meaning I'm not going to charge him I'm not going to pay for his shipping to send it back to me. Or I can give you a certain discount on the whole item, and I will give you a refund of, I think it was $7. because of the damaged card. Because everything else he said was okay, everything was clean. It was just that card. So I refunded him $7. It cost me about $3.50 to ship that item. Plus the $7, it was like about $10.50 plus the $2 that eBay takes its fee. I probably made about $7 on that. Because I'm also considering the advertisement cost that I paid for it. But yeah, that was my dilemma that I had with my eBay dude. Guys, we're here. Yes, Mason. Yeah. Say bye. So we're here at the post office now. We're gonna drop off these packages and then we're gonna get some breakfast. All right, guys. Peace. Thank you for hearing my rant, but that was the rant that I had for today. All right, peace, guys.